Fuselage!
Machine gun, second floor window! Weapons won't even dent that son of a bitch! We need explosives!
Draw its fire! Flank it! Find a way to get above it!
Get in that window! Explosives to take out that APC! Find some! Get in that window! Get a couple charges on it! Explosives to take out that APC! Find something! Out-fucking-standing! Revere Road is through these yards.
It's strange that people live so close to the wreckage.
Stranger still, they aren't out here helping us. Bunch of chicken shits, the EMP must have fried their balls, too. You'd think seeing a plane fall out of the sky would have put guns in their hands.
Maybe they're not ready to fight. The KPA doesn't bother these people. They're just trying to live their lives. Besides, Boone gave you an order.
Boone's not here! We're gonna do whatever it takes to stay alive!
Goddamn resistance! What are you doing here? We're a peaceful community. There are families here, man. You can't be bringing us this kind of trouble.
Everyone calm down. As soon as the others get here, we're moving on. Sure they weren't fouled? We're leaving. You should all get inside. Let's not attract attention. God damn it, Kanal. I said don't come here. You risk starting a shitstorm right where these people live.
We had nowhere else to go. The area's crawling with KPA.
We're supposed to be fighting for these people, not hiding behind them.
Who the fuck's hiding?
That's enough! Both of you! You must be the pilot. I'm Boone Carlson. I founded this. U.S. military is gathering near San Francisco. They need fuel. We have a plan to get it. We need you. Into the house! Yeah!
Just what we
They're
need.
pushing in!
We're on your side, ma'am! Just stay down! We'll protect you!
Please!
Defend the front of the house! You have to drop... You gotta be fine!
Lethal! I said they're coming with us!
All right, keep it up, Jacob.
Keep moving! My position!
Hide back here. We'll come get you after everything.